English grammar test. There are 20 questions with answers in this test. You will have 15 seconds for each question. She. A uniform. He. His car every weekend. Rosemary. 3 languages. My dad. At 7 o'clock every day. Isabel is a flight attendant. She. Passengers. Their son. In this hospital. Jim's a postman. He. Letters to people. Jane's a doctor. She. Ill people. Burn. In a flat in Birmingham. Nancy's uncle is a pilot. He. All over the world. In winter, Sheila. Skiing, and in summer. Tennis. My friend's son. Turkish and English at university. Most of the people. Work at 8 o'clock every morning. A. Does Tony Blair live? B. In Great Britain. Does your father do in his free time? Does Andy's little brother play with? A. Does Natalie's nephew do? B. He's an architect. A. Does it rain here? B. Mostly in summer and winter. A. Does Anthony go to work? B. Bus. She. From England. Write in the comments your number of correct answers. Thanks for watching.